Hi, good morning, oyo gozaimasu, namaste. I'm Chef Kumar from Tokyo, Japan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share you the recipe of broccoli soup. Yes, it's super healthy, easy, and quick. So let's start. Please, before we start the video, subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you very much. For make a broccoli soup, I took around 400 gram broccoli, cut it into small pieces like this, and roots also chopped because roots is very tasty. And celery chop around 100 gram, one small onion fine chop, 1 cup fresh cream, tofu for topping, 1 tablespoon garlic, and 300 cc vegetable stock. So let's start. So first we heat the pan. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. After heat the pan, I'm going to add onion and celery. And 2 tablespoons garlic. Just saute first little bit. Make sure don't give a color, only saute, soft saute we have to do. No color. After saute, I'm going to add broccoli and stems together. And salt. After saute the broccoli, I'm going to add the vegetable stock. And cover it and wait for until the broccoli will be soft. Then we will make a paste of this. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can open it and check. You can see the broccoli is already soft. Now it's time to make a paste. Blend it. So let's do it. First we close the induction. You can see it's a smooth paste. One more time, we are going to add the paste. Now I'm going to add cream. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Just one boil only. Now our soup is ready. It's time to serve it. tofu, sesame oil.